Hello guys, welcome to Script It Review. This is another product that I'm reviewing on my channel. Stick with me to the end because we'll dive inside the members area so I'll show you what's inside Script It if you decide to pick it up via my link that's down below this video. I'm Evaristus from evasblueprint.com and I invite you to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below and also hitting the bell notification so that anytime I release this kind of videos, you may be the first to be informed. My channel is about giving you tips on how to make money online. Also doing a review on products, on digital products that are launching on ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and JVZoo. So in case you want to buy a product and you don't know about what the product is all about, just come to my channel and you get to know what's inside the product and what you're expected to do with that product. Okay, without any further ado, let's dive into what Script is all about. All right, so Script is actually a software that will actually help you to clone sales pages of products that you want to promote. Okay, so once you decide to promote a product, what you have to do is simply go to the product sales page, get the URL of that product, go inside Script it, paste it in there, and the software will actually clone that same page. All you have to do is some little adjustments and then put in your affiliate links, put in some buttons, and you have a page that looks exactly like the sales page of the product you want to promote. So this is very, very powerful and it's a very good software that can help you save a lot of time from creating pages and trying to write content for the review on products you want to promote. So this will save you a lot of time. Okay, guys. So also, I'll put in place some custom bonuses that will help you to accompany you with this product as I said below. So let me just dive in and show you what's in stock for you. Okay, guys. So the first custom bonus I'll put inside here is Pinterest Traffic Automator. Once you have created your review pages, guys, you actually need traffic to go into those pages, on those pages, okay? So once you have those pages, traffic has to actually go there to buy what you're promoting. Okay, so with Pinterest Traffic Automator, you get a simple method on how you can automate traffic onto those pages so you can make sales and commission. The second bonus is Traffic Secrets Unleashed. Here you get to learn about different traffic methods that people are not actually using that you can maximize and use it for your advantage. Okay, the third bonus is Google Ranker. Okay, with this, guys, you can actually rank those pages on Google. Okay, the pages, the review pages you'll be creating. You have a video in here that will teach you how you can actually rank those pages on Google. Once you rank on Google, it means more traffic, more commission, more money, of course. All right. So the fourth bonus is build an unshakable business. With this, you need different income sources. If you decide to go out and promote a video or a page, that's a business model that you're doing, but you also need another other business, different business models, and so that you have different income sources. You know, given the situation we all face today, we need several income sources so as to actually make it in life. Okay, guys. So this will teach you other business sources, business models that you can adopt, actually model and use it to your advantage as well. So these are the four custom bonuses I'll put here, guys. So remember, these bonuses will expire once this time here hits zero. Okay, so you just have 2 days to get this product and then have access to all of these custom bonuses which are placed inside here, as well as the buyers bonus, the vendors bonus, which you will find inside the members area. Okay, guys. So there's a link down below this video. If you're interested in getting this product, you just click on the link, it will take you to this page. So once you're on this page, all you have to do is to click any of these blue buttons that you can find here. Once you click on these blue buttons, you can go actually and buy the product, and once you've bought the product, you actually have access to these custom bonuses. Okay, guys. So Script as I said earlier, Script is simply a software that will help you to clone sales pages and it will automate the process for you by actually writing the content for you, which you will not have to write any content. uh, and it works in just three simple steps. The first step is to simply go to the sales page, and this go to the sales page of the product you want to promote and get the URL. Now, once you have gotten the URL, you simply get into the software and put in the URL inside the software, and the software will do its magic by simply cloning that same sales page of the product. Now, you can, once you've cloned the page, you can add in your affiliate links and some buttons to actually put in your affiliate link inside the button, so that once people once you send traffic to those pages, they can actually click on those buttons and it takes them to the product, and if they buy the product, you make a commission. Okay, guys, so that's just all about the software. So once you go into this on the sales page, you actually have a demo video that shows you how this software functions. So I will not waste a lot of time here, because actually you have all the information in the sales page. What I'll do right here is simply go to the members area. So I'll dive inside the members area, so I'll show you how the software looks like. Okay, so once you're in the members area, let me go to the dashboard. Boom. Okay, so all right, this is how the member look area looks like. So once you're in the members area, remember guys, all this other section here is for the upsells. We'll talk about that later. Okay, so all you have to do is come to scrape it. You go to scraper. uh Once you're here, all you have to do is simply go and copy the URL of the product you want to clone. Once you've copied the URL of the product you want to clone, you simply paste it here. Once you pasted the URL, you click on go. For example, here you click on go. Okay. Now it's the server tell you grabbing content from this. You simply go to next. Now, once you click on next, all you have to do is to select all the content that you want to clone. You click on done. Now the software will be doing its magic by creating this page, the same page as the sales page. Okay, so once you click on done, it will actually take you to the WordPress editor, where you can actually do many things here, guys. Let me just put this away. Here you can actually rewrite the post, because you have content here. You can actually rewrite content so that it can be unique. So you see, you can give it a different title. You can make the content extremely unique, so that there's nothing about copyright issues. Okay. Then there are other things you can here, guys. Once you click down here, you can actually add a button. You see, you can actually add a button, and inside that button you can put in your affiliate link. Okay, so once you click on add a button, you ask you which kind of button you want to add. You can put a download button, and here you actually put your affiliate link. Okay, here you put your affiliate link, and the button will be on the side. Once you're done, you just click on publish. Okay, let me just take it off so we see where the URL comes from. So once you click on publish, this URL will come out here. This is a URL you'll be using to actually promote the product. Okay, so if we open this in the new tab, so you see guys, this the exact this the page we just cloned. You can see there's content inside the page. We will not have to go about writing all of this content and doing all the hard work. The software has done all the work for us. Okay, guys, so you can see how easy it is for you to simply go out there and get the URL of a page, that the URL of the page of a product that you want to promote, and simply come over to the software and reproduce that same page and do some adjustment, and the software actually even produce a title for you guys. You see, all this title here is the software who has produced the title, ignition casino review. That's the software that produces the title. So you see the software does all the hard work for you. Okay guys, so let's actually see how much this costs, and let's dive also into the upsells. Okay, so the front end of this product is actually 17 bucks. With $17 you actually have access to the software. Okay guys, so and the first upsell is creepy traffic. Here you get 13 social media sites that generate free buyer traffic from all the sites simultaneously on autopilot. So here it's a done for you package of 13 social media sites that will be generating uh, automatic traffic and sending them to you, the pages you create inside the software. Here it's the price is 47 bucks. Okay, the second upsell is Credit Club. Here you can build unlimited site. Okay guys, so once you get the front end at 17 bucks, the number of sites you build are actually limited. Okay guys, but with this upgrade you actually have unlimited sites, so you can clone as many sales pages as possible depending on what you want. Okay, so that's for the Script It Club, which at $47. The third upsell is Script It Store. Okay, here you import all the data of the product, including its variation, description, and even the pictures. Here you can actually clone stores that are selling products. Okay, it means you can clone Shopify stores, for example, and you actually clone everything, even the product variation, the description, everything. This is very powerful. Okay guys, this is very very powerful. So actually advise you to pick this up. It's just $47. You can pick this up as well as this unlimited, so you can build unlimited sites, and you also have the possibility to clone e-com sites and get everything products plus description. This is so powerful guys, so I would recommend you pick these two upgrades. It's very important. The fourth upgrade is create it content. Get the best trending article to your site and get free organic buyers. With this upgrade, you can push your business to the next level. So what this does is actually get viral contents or articles and then push them directly to your site. Okay, so you don't have to write anything. You don't have to do write the content. So once you have a website, the most important thing is creating content. But with this, you don't have to create content because the software actually generate content and then push them onto your sites. Okay, and it's evaluated at $47 as well. uh the fifth upsell is Script Agency. With this you can actually get the license to this software and actually sell it as your own. Okay guys, so that's all about the upgrades on this product. The front end is 17 bucks, so I advise you to pick the front end and get this Script It Club as well as Script It Store. Okay guys, so I really highly recommend that you get these two upgrades. Okay, all right guys, so remember, once you have decided to pick up this product, there's a link down below. Just click on the link down below. It will take you to this page. All you have to do is to click any of these blue buttons before this timer gets to 0. Okay, once this timer gets to 0, you will not have access to all these custom bonuses which I've put in place for this product. So click on this blue button and buy the product, and then you have access to all of these custom bonuses. Okay guys, so that will be all about my review video for Scrape It. I hope you love the review video. Remember to stay tuned to my channels for other videos that will be releasing very soon, and on tips on how you can actually make money online. Please again subscribe to my channel, like the video, click on the bell notification, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you guys, and I hope you stay cool. See you next time.